My name is Jason Feifer. I am the editor-in-chief of Entrepreneur Magazine, as well as the host of the podcasts Pessimists Archive and Problem Solvers. Honestly, the answer is that you should be approaching it the way that you had always approached it, which is that you should look for solutions that you can provide to the world, and you should be looking at where people are going. I think the challenge of the moment is that people are going in completely new directions. There are new needs out there. There are shifts in the way that people are working and living, and those are going to have massive ripple effects. So what I love about this company is that it has identified a pain point in the restaurant industry, which is that there is extra capacity in kitchens. There was extra capacity in kitchens before this, but now, obviously, as restaurants have been struggling, there is far more capacity. And so the question is, well, how can these kitchens start making more money, utilize themselves more? Franklin Junction's answer is, well, what if multiple brands could operate out of the same kitchen? Kind of like a ghost kitchen, except that you don't need to build a whole new kitchen. You're just using existing infrastructure from restaurants. It's a really smart solution. This is an idea that really challenges the very concept of what a restaurant is. It's a big change for the restaurant industry. Constant change is happening. There is a constant need to evolve, and I think we're going to see a rapid scaling of change and evolution. You're going to see things that could have taken a decade, 2 decades, happen within a matter of months. In this era of remote work and unpredictability, any leader needs to really step up and make sure that their team understands and feels a part of everything that's happening. You need to bring people together. So how do you do that? Well, I've talked to a lot of leaders, and the number one thing I hear, of course, is transparency. That you have to be extremely open and accessible and transparent with your team so that they don't feel like things are just being randomly handed down to them, but that they are actually a part of it. I mean, they are anxious and they want leadership. They want great leadership, and they need to see that leadership. How do you lead that team? It's all about transparency. It's about understanding. It's about people feeling bought into their roles and responsibilities, feeling like they have power in the role that they're in. There are a lot of new opportunities in this pandemic, and I think that we're only starting to realize what they are. But I think a good starting point is to understand how massive changes in consumer behavior are going to lead to new innovative opportunities. Embracing the newness of how you operate now and seeing that as an opportunity that will last for a long time. I love that. There are going to be now, scale that out to literally everywhere. There are constant opportunities as shifts have happened in the way that people work, the way that people live, the kinds of things that people need. These are creating new innovative opportunities in digital infrastructure, in telehealth, everything, in remote learning. There's going to be so many opportunities, and I think that companies are going to need to take a look at where people have shifted and where there are suddenly new ways to serve them and lots more people to serve. So take a look.